So, how will we write introduction for a discussion essay? In the previous session, I have explained discussion essay in detail. I have explained what exactly is a discussion essay, how to plan a discussion essay, and what is topic based vocabulary. So in this session, I'll be adding some point for the introduction topic. So let us get started. As I have already explained in the previous chapter, introduction is all about 3-sentence method. So what are those 3 sentences? Paraphrasing the question, giving the opinion, and outlining the ideas. So paraphrase and opinion is must for every student. You should paraphrase the question effectively and you need to give your opinion whenever asked. But outlining is optional for the students, for academic students to be precise. Now, how will we write introduction for the same question? So look at this one. It is argued by some that parents should teach. Okay? It is argued by some that parents are the best ideal people to inculcate or instill. So whenever I have used slash, you are going to use either of two words. You will not be using both. I have seen students using both instead of slash in between. So it is argued by some that parents are the ideal people to inculcate moral values in their children. Inculcate or instill moral values in their children and make them good human beings in life. Good human beings in life. Why? Now I am outlining. As they spend around 2/3 of a day with them. As they spend around 2/3 of a day with them. Whereas others feel that the educational institution is the ideal place to learn these values. Whereas others feel that the educational institution is the ideal place to learn these values. So what is the thinking of others? So that also I have written here. School is the ideal place to learn these values. So I have already outlined it here. As they spend, why? Some people think that parents are the ideal people to inculcate moral values as they spend around 2/3 of a day with them. Okay. Now giving my opinion, because the question is clearly asking discuss both views and give your own opinion. So I have to state the opinion in introduction itself. Opinion mein how will I be writing? In my view, both educators and parents have an equal role in teaching moral values and creating civilized citizens. So what have I done here? I have explained my opinion. In my view, both educators and parents have an equal role. This is my opinion, that they both have an equal role in teaching moral values and creating civilized human beings. I do not think that school is the best place or parents are the best people. So I believe both of them are needed for instilling moral values in their children. Okay, so both are needed. So I can explain my opinion like this at the end. So this is the way we are going to write the introduction for discussion essay. So please practice the same part at home, then only you will be learning it in detail. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next chapter and will explain body paragraphing in detail.